thanks. So they're telling me there's a popo down the street, so I'll take it easy. So anyways, I guess I'll share my initial thoughts, review of this 2023 Suzuki GSX 1000 Plus. For my 10 fans that tune into my YouTube channel. What's going on? So anyways, I'm gonna throw on my cruise control because we got the popo down here. So obviously cruise control is a wonderful feature. Really surprised of all the different sport touring bikes out there that don't come with cruise control standard, like the Kawasaki Concourse, and even on the Ducatis, you gotta, get the extra, pay the extra bit, or the model that comes with the cruise. But anyways, back to this bike. Funnest, best bang for the buck motorcycle I've ever owned. It's not even close. Again, it's a sport tourer. So what that really means is kind of like an old school crotch rocket sport bike, racing bike, but the seat's a little more level, and it has some optional hard bags. I have them off right now, but you can throw on there for traveling. Leave it at the police. No need to stop. Okay. After 35 years of driving, I still get nervous when I see the police. Anyways, so back to this bike. Man, back to the value that it is. It's about half the price of like a Ducati or high-end BMW. MSRP is probably about $13,900 compared to, right at $30,000. I've gone through a mess of Harley Davidsons. Really don't even compare those bikes. Those are wonderful, comfortable lifestyle machines, but when it comes to performance, you're not really looking at a Harley Davidson. But style and comfort, class, oh yeah, definitely. But anyways, this bike's just a lot more fun. It's so light. Like the Ducati was very top heavy. This is just the opposite. It's very light. You can't feel the weight. It basically feels like you're on a BMX bicycle just rolling down these hills in neutral. It comes with 3 different performance modes, A, B, and C, and I can switch it on my display, actually right here on the hand controls. And C is kind of takes a lot of the horsepower out, slows it down. Great for like rain, gravel, sketchy surfaces, or if you're just doing a lot of urban riding in town, a lot of traffic lights and slow speeds, and it's good for that as well. No need to get anything that can leave you on your ass. Class B is what they call their touring. It gets more power back in it, but I think taller gears, just what you'd want to have set if you're going across the country, going across Texas. And then there's A, which is sport mode, or what I call bat out of hell mode. Yeah, bat out of hell mode. That's exactly what it is. So I just leave it there. I always want to be a bat out of hell if needed. So that's cool. It comes with traction control. I have it set on 1. It has quick shifter, so I can shift the gears without even using my clutch. My Ducati had it, and it was night and day. This is so smooth and flawless. You can upshift, you can downshift. and I can use my clutch at any time I want to. So I'm not committed to having to utilize quick shift. So I just leave it on. I leave it on, I leave the cruise on, just so they're all ready to go if I need them. Thing handles just unbelievably. I better stop talking and get more into the gas. I think I got a truck behind me. Anyways, this is the ultimate road to really check out any kind of bike. It's just, man, it's just all twists and turns. You get a few fast sections, but mostly these hairpins and snake tails. My little mini tail of the dragon, right here in the neighborhood. So I got the GoPro on. This is the very first recording of the GoPro. So a lot of new stuff going on here. New bike, new camera, new gloves, new attitude. So anyways, taking it nice and slow as we have a lot of law enforcement out today because it's a beautiful day. They want to keep everyone safe. No problem with that. I just don't want to be part of the equation when it comes to writing up tickets. I've had 3 this year and we're only in May. I have the microphone wired inside my helmet with the lid closed, so I'm anxious to see if that takes out a lot of wind noise. For me, I'm hearing a lot of wind out there when I lift my lid. This Shoei helmet's one of the most quiet helmets. It's definitely the most quiet one I own. I have a number of helmets. This one absolutely is the most quiet. I have my Cardo audio system wired into it as well, so I can make and receive phone calls. I can listen to my any of my music sources. Right now I have it on Ozzy's Boneyard because I got the XM satellite on my phone. So Bluetooth to my JBL speakers in my helmet, and I'm rocking and rolling while talking to you guys. So I really have nothing negative to say about this bike. I really have to stretch hard, reach out very hard to think of something. I would like to have an adjustable windscreen. My Yamaha FJR, I just push a button, it would go up and down. That's very cool because I definitely need a taller one for longer trips. Heated grips. Not really going to worry about it this summer here in Austin, Texas, but come fall, I'm going to need to get an aftermarket or even the OEM heated grip system for this bike, because once you have heated grips on any motorcycle, you can never live without them again. Even in the summer, if you get caught in rain, whatever, it gets cold, you're cold because you're soaking wet, flying 80 miles an hour trying to get home, your hands are the first thing to suffer that situation. So yeah, we'll have to get some heated grips. Other than that, as far as acceleration, braking, well, braking, actually, the brakes work very good once you engage the brakes. So you get a lot of play on this front brake lever, kind of squishy before it actually hit, you know, before the brakes, before the front brake actually engages. So that I would like to address. That's it. Those three things are about the only call outs I have for an improvement by Suzuki next year. Go ahead and get an adjustable windscreen on here. Go ahead and put heated grips on here, stock, not as an upgrade, just stock. And then yeah, I thought there was a third one. Oh yeah, the front brake issue, make it more sensitive. Take this squishy play out of it. Not a fan of that. I want instant braking the second I touch that brake. That's it. Alrighty. Gonna finish up Lime Creek Road here and head to the house and check out the quality of this video, this first video I'm taking with the GoPro 11 Black. Peace out. West side of Lake, or east side of Lake Travis. Excuse me. Valente.